Hello everyone, welcome back. So in the previous video, we worked on these product options and displayed all the product variants here. So in this video, we try to make these variants look beautiful. So let's do that. Open your code editor, and here in this product selector case, I'm going to comment this piece of code. So let's start using unless. Okay, here we are going to make condition if product dot has only default variant. Here we are going to create a loop. So here let's say product option in product dot options with values. So let's create a h3 tag, and here let's print product option dot name. Let's give this some classes. I'm going to add text LG, font let's say semi bold, and add py2. Okay, so after that, here let's create a for loop again and loop through this product option, because this product option has values. Let's say value in product option dot values. Okay, before that, let's create a variable. Let's say assign index is equal to for loop dot index. Okay, so this index variable has the value of our outer loop index value. So in this inner loop, let's create a div, and here in this div, let's create an input tag of type radio. Let's add name attribute, which would be option and index, and let's say product option dot name. So we have created the unique name for this option. So let's give this an ID of let's say option and index. So the value of this would be value. Okay, we can add here data index. So let's create this, and maybe we need this in our JavaScript. Let's create that and check that later if we need this or not. Option, let's say index, and let's create a condition here. If for loop dot index is equal to 1, and then we are going to make it checked. So here for loop dot index means the index of this inner loop. So let's create a label here to display the value. So let's add value here. Let's give this for the ID of this option index. So let's add some classes here. Let's say p3 w of full, flex, justify center, items center, and let's add border and border gray, and add let's say 600. Okay, now let's save this and check on the front end. Let's refresh that. Now you can see we have all the attributes are segregated. I mean, for size we have small, medium, large, XL, and for color we have different variations. Let's style this a bit now. Let's wrap this for loop in a div. So let's create a div here and end here, and let's give this div a class of let's say flex and gap of 5. So here in this div, let's create a give this a class of let's say relative. Okay, so for this input type radio, let's add some classes here. Let's add a custom class, let's say product variant, and let's add cursor pointer and absolute, and then w let's say full, h full, and give this z index to 10. Let's save that and check on the front end how it looks. Okay, now you can see we have everything here. So we can select any of the option here. So let's add an opacity here. Let's say opacity 0. Let's save this and check. So now you can see we have labels here. Now let's add a custom CSS to our variant selector, which is a radio button. I'm saying if the product variant is checked, and we are going to make label a border of 2 pixel solid with the primary color. Let's save this and refresh on the front end. Now you can see our first variant is selected. So here you can see if we click on any of the radio button, a border of 2 pixel is applied. We can easily see which option is selected. Okay, now let's add some more CSS here. So let's wrap this whole thing in a div and add, let's say, pb2. So let's give this div a class of, let's say, w28, and remove this colon from the class. Let's save this and check on the front end. So you can see we have everything here. In the next video, we will start working on our add to cart functionality. This is it for this video. If you found this video helpful and informative, like, share and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify theme development tutorials. This is it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.